White stevia powder. How'd they get it so white? Okay, so the plus side is this is stevia extract. The downside is there's more ingredients of maltodextrin than there is of the stevia, and the downside is it's got natural flavors. So most natural flavors come from beaver anise, which is a gooey, sticky substance that can modify the taste of many things artificially, like your strawberry, your raspberry, your vanilla. All kinds of natural flavors come from beaver anus glands. A type of gland located near the beaver's anus. Maybe it is the beaver's anus. I don't know. You could do more research on that. I know the Food Babe channel has a lot of information on that. But here's the deal. Maltodextrin, you don't want it. It's 2 times the glycemic index of sugar. So skip that because it's basically a supercarb. It's going to create a huge insulin spike. It's going to increase insulin resistance if you don't have any already. You probably do, though, because it's in just about everything. It's crazy. And this is funny. Well, check this out. Where is it? Okay, this is funny. Maltodextrin is a carbohydrate. It's used in make measuring NuStevia extract easier and acts as a filler so the concentrated extract can be put into packets. And it says it should not affect blood sugar levels in most individuals. Yeah, unless you're already super insulin sensitive, but the bottom line is maltodextrin is a bigger ingredient than the stevia extract. So why can't we just have a regular stevia extract? And another thing, a lot of stevias out there are made with Reb A, they call it, and that's a bleached stevia. So just because this doesn't say that it's not Reb A, since it's saying white stevia, I'm kind of inclined to think that it probably is Reb A. Maybe I should do some more research, but bottom line is just find something that says stevia extract on it for the ingredients. Right? And why? I mean, it's also a filler and an ingredient that helps it be a flow agent, I believe, that will help them mass produce this. But these are individual packets already. How much flow agents do you need? Anyways, guys, stay healthy. I would definitely give this a thumbs down. Not that it tastes bad. It's okay. Also, some people, when they have stevia, could experience increased hunger cravings. And that kind of defeats the purpose of getting a sugar alternative in the first place, right? Stay healthy, guys.